Greetings, Velorians. My name's T, a community manager and head tester at Velora.tv. Today, I'm bringing you another installment of Here's What You've Missed on Velora.tv. Starting off first, I am proud and super excited to announce that we have launched our new and improved, built from the ground up, in-house stream player. This stream player brings improvements to stream viewability, as well as lightweight edges, and fast startup time, as our community members have pointed out. Our old player has been doing the job within the first couple of months, but unfortunately, because of the amount of technical issues and some motion sickness that has caused some of our community members, we decided to part ways with our old player and welcome our brand spanking new and improved stream player. Behind the scenes, even though you cannot see it, but you can feel it, we made an incredible modernization sprint. Every single tech stack of ours has been updated to their latest versions. Everything is now faster, smoother, and up to date and more reliable. Although you may not see the changes, you can definitely feel the changes. Another thing that we have added is the ability to switch accounts. This is useful for if you have a main account that you stream on, or you have a separate account that you watch streams on, or if you're the type of person that does podcasts, music DJing, or music production. You may find it by clicking your name at the top right corner, and under the settings, you'll see a switch accounts option. That is not all we did. We also improved the gifted sub options. If I were to scroll down, I can either click the gifted subs button down here, or at the bottom of the chat box, by clicking the gift sub button, you will see a brand new option. Well, two, if you've seen what's below there. Before, you could only gift to random viewers. But you can now gift to specific people, or specific people in batches, whether you want to gift 2 to 3 people that you have selected a tier 1 or a tier 2 sub, or if you just want to gift one specific person a gifted sub. Now, you may have noticed that there is a new payment option. Yep, with our modernization sprint that we have done, updating everything in our tech stack to the latest versions, improving the reliability, the performance, and the responsiveness, Amazon Pay is now a supported payment method, bringing you more payment options to choose from. This also applies to our Vaults package. We also have partnered up and created an integration with Power IRL, bringing an affordable, reliable IRL streaming service to the power of near-zero latency. We could not be more excited to have Power IRL join the gold standard of streaming. And to top off this video, we have reached over 1,700 registered users. We could not be more thankful for each and every one of you for joining Velora and picking the gold standard of streaming and the better alternative that treats creators right. Please consider subscribing to the official Velora YouTube channel, where more tutorials, how-to, showcase videos, as well as what you've missed videos are to be expected. See you next time.